Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good and hope you all are resonating with the readings. Do let me know how you feel the readings are, and do like the channel, subscribe the channel and click the bell icon so that you will be updated as and when I keep bringing my videos. And I hope you all enjoyed the Kubera video also. If not, you can go and see. I have brought in a beautiful video of Kubera Mudra, where Kubera Mudra is not only for financial issues. Kubera Mudra can also work with all types of, when I say all types of manifestation. So if you have not seen that video, do see it now and do follow it. You will get tremendous results with it. So now let's go to the reading. I have brought in the cards which I used to do before. So let's see what is the first card. The first card is soul forgiveness. Can you see here? I'll pull 3 cards and then I will do the reading. The second card, creativity. That's a beautiful card, a card of 7 sisters. Creativity. Let's see what is another card which is coming. The last card, level up. Now that's a beautiful combination. If you see, soul forgiveness, actually if you see, the cards themselves are giving you your answers. Soul forgiveness, creativity and level up. Now let's see what is your day in detail today. Now let's start with soul forgiveness. Maybe sometimes we are so much in rush, we are so much in in our workload, that we forget one thing, that our soul also needs rest. At the same time, our soul also needs time to work on itself, and sometimes we forget to love ourselves. We are in so much of hurt and pain. So today in the morning, what you can do is start your day with, I forgive and free myself, I forgive and free others. Tell this 21 times. If you have a white candle, then burn a white candle and say this. You will feel amazing energies. I'm coming back to this card. Okay, just tell, I forgive and free myself, I forgive and free others, just for 21 times. Do that, and when you do it with full-fledged heart, and do it with heart and soul, so that you will feel relieved and you will feel as if your soul is actually becoming fresh for your day to go really, really well, and for things to happen the way you're planning. So that is what is the first card for. Now if you do that, what will happen? Your mind will become free. Then you can become creative. So today is a day to create new things, to work on new things, to bring in new ideas. So if you are working on a new project, sit and plan your ideas. Come out of your comfort zone mainly and work on bringing in more ideas. Today, if possible, burn a incense stick in your workplace. It can be any incense stick, but just burn an incense stick. If you don't have incense sticks, then use some diffuser in your home or in your workplace with some beautiful smell, which will help you to enhance your aura and to rejuvenate your aura, which in turn will again make your mind calmer and your mind active, so that you can bring in more ideas. The last card being level up. Level up is basically, you have reached a level where you can start doing more things, because God is by your side, the angels are by your side. So the gods are saying, do a soul forgiveness, become creative, work on your creativity, and you will go one step forward. Today, wear the color green, dark green if possible, because it is a day of abundance and a day of creativity. Wear the color dark green and do the way I have asked you to chant in the morning, and I'm sure you all are going to have a beautiful and a blessed day. Thank you.